Hi, now I'm going to explain about GVIM and its command. So GVIM is a text editor. It is available default with Linux or Unix based platform. So if you know these Vim commands, so you can able to modify the codes easily and it saves your time. So we will start with the basic commands. Okay. So vi command used to create a file. Okay, vi file name I give as file1 dot v. If I press enter, a new file will be created. The name of the file is file1 dot v. It is shown in the bottom. Okay. To enter the text into the file, you need to press I. After that, you can type the text. So here I am in file1. Okay. So if you enter, we'll move to next line. Here I am typing I'm going to do design in this file. The next line I am typing Verilog code. Here I am going to tell a few commands like actually here there are two modes. One is insert mode. When I press I or A, it will be in the insert mode. So you can able to enter the words or text. Okay. Another one is escape mode. When I press escape, now it is in insert mode. In the bottom you can able to see it is in insert. When I press escape, it is in escape mode. Okay. So the commands to manipulate this text, okay, we are going to give in escape mode. For example, now the cursor is in second line. I am going to do design in this file. There I have the cursor is located in that position. Okay. Now I want to now it is in escape mode. Now I want to type text in the next line. Okay, I just I want to press O. Okay, it will move to the next line and it will be in the insert mode. You see in the bottom it is in insert mode. So you can able to give the text. Better here. Okay. Now assume that again it is here second line. Okay, now I want to enter the text above that line. Now it is in escape mode. Okay, if you give shift O, that is capital O, it is the cursor is moved to the previous line. It create a new line. There you can able to type. Okay, design with TV. Okay, so here I typed it like this. Okay. After this, to quit this file, to close this file, okay, press escape, then colon. If you see in the bottom, colon, Q is to quit this file. Okay. So W is to save the file. WQ, if you give the content of this file is saved and then it will quit. Okay. If I give ls, it is a Linux command. You can able to see the file inside this directory. Okay, file1.v is available now. Again, you can give vi or move the up arrow so that the previous commands will come. ls vi file1.v. So whatever I typed, it is saved. Okay. Now I'm going to tell another commands. There's a difference between small I and capital I and I and J command. In escape mode, if I press I, okay, if I type, I'm going to type a text J, it is inserted before the D, letter D. Okay. So to undo, we have to press U in escape mode. U is for undo. If I now instead of I, if I press A, okay, these things I am doing in escape mode. If I press A and I am pressing J, I am inserting J letter after D. Okay, that is the difference. When I press I, the letter will be inserted before D. When I press A, the letter will be inserted after D. Again, I undo this by clicking U in escape mode. Now, okay, if I press capital I, it is also start. That means it is happening before that word. Okay. If I press capital A, more capital A, it is moving to the end of the whole line. Okay. Where you can able to include your text. Now assume that my cursor is here. If I press capital I, it will move to the front of that line and I can able to enter my text. Okay. Then Control R, it is used to do redo. Okay, I am typing something. Okay, to undo, then escape mode, just U. If you want to redo, it is a Control R. It is a redo. Okay, now I am going to type some lines here. Before that, GG is a command. If you press GG, you will go to the starting line of this page. Okay, if you press Shift G, nothing but capital G, okay, it will move to end of this line. Okay, below that I want to type some code. So I am pressing O, so it will move to the next line and it is in insert mode. Here I am typing my code. Module better. Go, it will move to the above line. Here it is in insert mode. I can type input A comma B and output C comma S. So here I use data flow modeling. C equal to A and B A XOR B. So I type the code. Then data flow modeling. Okay. Okay. Now I want to save this file. SK:W to save the file. Okay. Now I want to see the line numbers. Okay, so in escape mode, colon, in the bottom, if you see SENU, set number. If you give colon SENU, you enter, the line number are displaying, right? Here we have 11 line numbers. Okay. So now I want to disable that. Same as what SE no NU, it will be disabled. Okay. Then now again I am setting. If you give up arrow, the last command what you give, it will come. Okay. Continue. I set here. Now I want to know in which position my cursor is. Okay. Directly you can say 8. If you want, if I didn't mention this line number, okay, you can get by this command colon dot equal is showing 8. The 8th line a cursor is available. So colon to see how many lines are there. Colon equal to will give total number of lines in this text file. Okay, it's 11. Okay, now I want to move to line number 3. Okay, so colon 3 you can give, and your cursor move from 8 to 3. Okay, then that's another way to move your cursor to a particular line. Now I want to move line number 5. Okay, so in escape mode 5 shift G, that is capital G, you give, it will move to the corresponding line. Then I want to delete a word. How I can delete it? I want to delete this Verilog. Okay, in escape mode DW, delete word DW, delete a particular word. Okay, I undo this. Want to delete this Verilog code. 2 words I want to delete. D to W. Words will be deleted. I want to delete this whole line. I am in line number 3. I want to delete this whole line. Press DD. Okay, whole line will be deleted. I want to delete these 4 line, first 4 line. Okay, D4D you can give, or 4DD. Okay, you can give 4 lines. How many lines you are giving, that much line it will delete. Okay. Undo this. Now to move the cursor to the start of this line, okay, you can give a cap. It is shift 6, that is there you have a cap. Okay. Cursor is moving to the start of the line. The cursor you want to move to the end of the line, you have to give dollar, that is shift 4. Okay. Cursor is moved to the end of the line. Cursor want to move to the top of this file. What command you have to give? GG. GG. When you give shift to G, it will move to the top of this page. Okay. Next, I want to move this cursor backward. Okay. Just in escape mode, just click B. So word by word it will move. Then I want to move to the front word for front direction for each word. Press E. It will move in front direction. Then J is a command, so just like a jump, it moves the cursor below from the current location. If I press J, it will move one time. If I want to move 2 lines, 2J, it moves to from 8 to 10 it moves. Okay. So if I want to move the cursor the upwards, okay, K is used. Okay. If I press 3K, 3 lines up, it will move. Okay. So then L is used to move the cursor right side. Okay. So on the same way, H is used to move the cursor left side. For example, each word, for 5L, if I press 5L, it moves 5 letters right side. Okay. For H I am pressing, it moves 4 letters leftwards. Okay. We want to go to line number 3 with the help of K. Okay. So 3K, if I press, it moves to line number 3. Then next is paste, copy and paste. So Y is used to yonk. This is a yonk. It is used to copy. I pressed double time YY. Line number 6 is copied now. I want to paste it. Here I am going to paste that one by pressing P. Okay, when I press small p, okay, the line is copied below where the cursor is. Okay, I keep the cursor here and I press P, copied. It is pasted in the next line. Okay, now another way, shift P. When I press shift P, it will paste above that line. See here, cursor is in line number 11. If I press shift P, that is capital P, the content actually copied is pasted above the end module. Okay, I undo these things. Now I am going to copy this whole code from line number 6 to 11. Okay, so how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to press Y6Y. So 6 lines are copied. Or you can press 6YY. Okay. Now I am moving to end of this program. Shift G. Here I am going to paste. Just press P. The whole code, that is from 6 to 11. 6 lines are copied and then it is pasted here. Okay. Now I want to paste 3 times. So I entered 3P. So the same copied one is pasted 3 times here. Okay. So the next command we are going to see is for delete. How to delete. So what we already saw, DD. DD is to delete. Okay, I deleted that first line. Okay, when you delete that, it is stored in a buffer. Okay. So you can able to paste that deleted line. First time, this line I deleted by pressing DD. Okay, I am in file 1. I deleted. I am pasting that here. Okay, I am in file 1. So YY, it is a copy. Delete is as like a cut. Okay. Then I want to replace some variable, some text. There it is a character. To replace a character, particular character in escape mode, press R. Okay. And you can able to change a particular character. So if I want to change that whole word, okay, this capital R, shift R. So you can able to replace the whole word until you press escape, it will do the replace operation. Output A comma B. Then I can also use change word. CW is used for change word. So if you press CW, remove that one and it will be in the insert mode. CW change a particular word. If I want to change multiple words, okay, and go to line number 1. C3W. So 3 words are deleted and it is in insert mode. Okay. I'm changing that word. And CC. When you press CC, that is escape mode. Okay. The whole line will be changed. Entire line will be changed. There is a difference between DD and CC. Okay. So when you press DD, the line will be deleted, but it will be in the escape mode. When you press CC, the line will be deleted and it is in the insert mode. So we are changing the word, so it is in insert mode. So you can able to type the text here. Okay, now I move to last line. Then I'm going to add some more lines here. So if I press O, I'm going to add some more lines like always. I write a display statement here. So I'm going to copy this with YY. I'm going to paste this 5 times. 5p. Okay. Here, in the insert mode, I'm changing the display as monitor. Change this as monitor. Now by pressing dot, I can able to repeat the previous operation. Okay, clearly the line number 19, we have a dollar display. I change it that to dollar monitor. Okay, that operation will be lastly I did. Okay, so that will be stored. So when I press dot, wait a minute. I use CW here. CW is monitor. You, you have to place it the proper location. Okay. Just pressing the dot, it is modifying as monitor. This place modified as monitor because that one I did lastly. Okay. With the CW command, I changed the display as monitor. Now, with the help of dot, I just pressing dot. Okay, it will automatically do the last operation. Then I want to search a particular uh, word. For example, I want to search wherever I need search. I want to know. Okay, so the star. It is shift 8 is star. So if you press, it will highlight the particular word. Okay, if you press N, it will move to the where the next keyword is available. Here I am pressing small n. Okay, when you press shift N, that is capital N, it will move in the opposite direction. Then there's another way to search in escape mode. Slash, which word I need to search? I want to search half header. Okay, enter. So wherever half header is there, it will be highlighted. Then if you press small n, it will move in one direction. If you press capital N, it will move in opposite direction. Then I want to change one word to another word, the whole file. Okay. So escape mode, colon, percentage yes slash which word I want to change here. I want to change this half header as G. If you give G everywhere, it will take effect. Okay. All the half headers are changed as a full header now. And okay, now I change the full header as half header. Here I give GC. It will get confirmation whether I want to change or not. Okay, when I press this, it will ask replace with half header yes or no. When I press yes, it will change. When I press no, it won't change that full header. Okay, now I want to select a particular line. Okay, now I am in 27th line. I want to select a particular line to be. Okay, you want to select a particular this line, and then below this line, you can move the down arrow. It will select. Okay. After that, you can copy that by pressing YY. You can copy the particular line, and you can paste it anywhere. Now I want to copy the whole code. So GG, go to the top of this. GG, when you press GG, it will go to the top of this file. Then shift V G. Okay. Shift V, copy a particular line. That is shift VG. VG, that shift G is copy up to the end of this page. Okay. So whole thing is copied. I press Y. Then I move to last of the line by pressing shift G. Here I am going to paste it. The whole thing will be copied and it is pasted here. Okay. So when the content is huge, by moving like this is very difficult, right? So here we have a command escape mode. Press Control U to moving upwards. Control D is moving downwards. Half of the page will be moved. So here I am pressing Control U, so it is moving towards upwards. Okay, now I am going to come out from this file. So escape mode colon. I press Q, it will quit. Okay, whether it will ask whether if I just press Q, it will ask whether we have to overwrite this one or not. So I am giving as colon Q not. So already whatever there in this file that will be present here. Okay, extra I write after the previous save. Whatever I done here, that will not be saved. You give this not colon Q not. So again I open that file. So only these things I already done and I saved. After that I did many things, but I am not saved that one. So that I mentioned colon Q not. Here I remove these lines D D5 and then I am save this and quit. So one thing to save and quit colon WQ. Another thing you can give colon X. Automatically it will save and quit. Then okay, I am going to create another file to write the test bench for this software. I am going to write that in a separate tab. Okay. Escape tab new that file name file 2.p. This is file 1 and I am creating file 2.v in new tab. File 1 is available here and file 2 is currently created. To create to view that tab, gt is the command to one tab to another tab. Okay. Now I am going to write the test bench here. I want to instantiate that module. If I I create this file in the same file, so it will be easy to see file 1 and file 2. Okay. So I save this. And I want to open the file 2 vertically with this file 1. So we have a command VSPL is vertical split file 2.p. Okay. Now file 1 and file 2 are in the vertical windows, so that I can easily see this file and I can able to type. After that, only this one. Copying this one by pressing YY, and I am inserting the next line by press P. Here I introduce some delay. I am copying this line by pressing YY, and I am pasting this 4 times P 40. So here I just change the values, but all I am doing in escape mode. Okay, small r to change this. With this one. Okay, now I am creating another file, that is file 3. That is, I am going to create it horizontal SPL. So open vertical VSPL, open horizontal SPL file 3.p. Okay, new file is created now. Okay, so likewise you can able to open multiple files in either or you can open in vertical or in horizontal form. Okay. To move from one file to another, you have to type Control WW. Okay, Control WW. Let's see here, my cursor is moving. Now it is in file 1. I press Control WW, it is moving to file 3 now. It is moving to file 2 now. Again I am pressing, it is moving to file 1. Okay. When I press Control WP, it is moving to its previous file. Well, it is in file 1, it is moved to file 2 now. Again I press Control WP, it's moved to file 1. Move to the previous file. Now if I open a multiple files here, so it is very difficult to see a particular file. So there's a command to maximize a particular file. Here that is control W underscore. Control W underscore. It is control W shift. It is hyphen. Okay. If you press particular file, if you open the multiple files in horizontal, if you press control W underscore, a particular file will be maximized. So you can do the operations here. Okay. So in case if it is open in a vertical form, multiple files are open in the vertical form. If you want to maximize a particular file, how to do? Control W pipe up. W, that is shift backslash control W pipe. Now file 3 is maximized. Okay, now I moving to file 2. Okay, my cursor is file in file 2. I am maximize that one by pressing control W underscore, that is shift control W shift colon, sorry, shift hyphen. Shift hyphen is nothing but underscore. So control W shift hyphen, that is become like this. So now I move to this file, control W shift 5. So this file 1 is maximized. Okay. Okay, now I want to make all the files in equal size. So control W equal to operator. Control W equal. So everything will be in the same size. You can able to shift. Show it here. It's in vertical form. File 3. Now if you want to move the location of this file, so in the sense I want to shift this one by pressing control W yes. So I just swap this file 3 and file 2. Control W. If I want to rotate the whole things, okay, control W R. Now file 3 is at the end. Again a control W R. File 3 is in the first position, control W R in the second position. You can able to rotate the positions. Then I just do some modifications here. Okay, this plus symbol in the bottom, file 2.p plus. That means it is edited one. It is not yet saved. Now I move to next. Also not yet saved. We move to this file 1. Here also I do some modification. So now if you see, all the files are not yet saved. Every file have the extension is with plus. Okay. To save all the files at the same time in escape mode, colon W U A, that means all. Okay. So now see here, all this plus symbol are gone. Okay. That means everything is saved now. So to fit all these files at the same time, colon Q A. All the files are fit. Now view ls and see you have 3 files. Now I want to open a file in a new tab. Okay, by giving vi -p file 1 file 2.p file These three files I am going to open in a different tab. So for that, I have to do VA-P. Okay. I already told GT is to switch the tab. If you press G capital T, it will move in the reverse order. If you press GT, it is moving 1, 2, 3. I press G capital T, it is moving in the reverse order. Okay. Now I want to combine this file 1 and file 2 to another file, that is file in the file 4. Insert mode :W, that is write file 4.v. So file 4 will be created and the content of this file 1 will be write to file 4. Okay. Now just I open the file and show you. Whatever there in the file 1, it is there in the file 4. Okay, now the file 2 content I want to append with file 1 content in the file 4. Okay. So in escape mode, W to this symbol, right shift press that. Okay. So the content of this file 2 is going to append with the content of file 4. File 4. File 4.p. So I'll just open and show it. See here, this is the file 1 content, this is the file 2 content. Okay, now the next command, I want to change a particular variable to another variable in the all tabs. Okay. So in escape mode, tab do. If you give tab do, it will take effect in all the tabs. So here I am going to change yes slash a slash x slash g. That is, in all the tabs I am going to search a string a and I am going to replace with that with x. Okay, and slash g. Everywhere wherever a is present, that is replaced with x in file 1 and also in file 2. If I want to save all these files the same way, tab do QA is to quit, WA save and quit. Okay. So, tab do save, that's W. So I give A, that is common to all. Now if you see, all the tabs are indicated with plus. Okay, so when I save with all, so all are saved. Okay. Now I want to close the entire tab. So tab do QA. So these are the basics commands you should know. Okay, there are a lot of commands that you can practice.